you. Alright. Ready? You doing alright there? No!
Oh shit!
Oh fuck! Oh god damn it! Oh no! No! God damn it! Gotta shake it, make sure it all gets out of there. Alright. There will be no more pissing for him.
Just fucked up.
Are you having a battle with yourself? Because I think you're ready. Oh, fuck. What you did? Right on my head.
Which one?
It was that actually fell down while you were in the bathroom, dude. Dude was like putting up against the door. All right.